Passive income is money earned with minimal effort on your part. It offers financial freedom, flexibility, and potential for growth. Some misconceptions include it being a quick fix or requiring no work. In reality, it demands time, effort, and smart strategies to build a sustainable income stream. Making passive income online can be achieved through various methods. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products and earning a commission on sales. Creating online courses allows you to share your expertise for a fee. Digital products like ebooks or software can provide continuous income. Investing in stocks or real estate offers opportunities for long-term wealth growth. To build a successful passive income stream, start by researching profitable niches to target. Establish a strong online presence through websites, blogs, or social media platforms. Utilize social media and SEO tactics to drive traffic and increase visibility for your passive income sources. Automation plays a crucial role in passive income streams by reducing manual work and increasing efficiency. Implement tools like email autoresponders or sales funnels to streamline processes. Scaling up your online income sources involves strategies to grow your passive income exponentially. This may include diversifying your investments, creating multiple streams of income, or expanding your business reach. Exploring real-life case studies of individuals earning passive income online provides valuable insights into different strategies and success stories. By studying their journey, we can learn important lessons and apply proven techniques to our own passive income endeavors. Understanding the paths taken by successful passive income earners for inspiration and practical tips for achieving financial independence through online ventures.